A football team gained 7 yards on one play and then lost 19 yards on the next. Write a sum of integers to find the overall change in field position. So first, football team gain. When we have gain, the word gain, we use positive sign. So we have like positive 7 yards they gain. So we can write just 7. Next, we have that they lost 19 yards. When we have word lost, go down, we use negative sign before the number. So we have plus negative 19. So this is equal. We have addition of integers with different signs. First is positive, second is negative. Which first check which of these two numbers, 7 or 19, is greater. 19 is greater, so next we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy this negative sign, we open parentheses, and we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 19 minus 7. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. 19 minus 7 is 12. This is our solution. They lost 12 yards. Why lost? Because we have negative sign before 12.